Hi, hello, good morning, everybody. This is Bhaskar watching Bhaskar Time. In this video, we are going to discuss about Cohen-McCluskey tabular method with don't care condition. In the previous video, we are going to discuss about Cohen-McCluskey method, how to simplify the Boolean expressions and all. So here it is, if I'm going to consider a don't care condition, and you already know that if I'm going to take a don't care condition, nothing but x we are going to take this value, it is 1 for we are going to consider for SOP form. When come to a POS form, we are going to consider as a 0. Sir, how to solve this one? Let's move on to the problems. I'm going to take one problem here. Here it is, f is equal to abcd summation of m 0 1 5 9 4 2 15. These are all decimal values we are going to take, that is mean terms, and plus d we have a 13 and 6. 13 and 6 also we are going to take as a don't care condition. Sir, while writing and simplification process, we are going to consider 13 comma 6, but when come to an implementation type table writing, that time we are going to neglect. Let's see on that. So here it is 0 to 15. I'm going to take a decimal number, respective binary numbers I'm going to take here. Okay, and also I'm going to include 13 and 6 of don't care condition. Next it is looking for grouping and matched pairs. So grouping and matched pair, totally it's depend upon number of ones. Okay, we already know that. Let's move on to that. First I'm looking for group 0. Group 0, it consists of 0 ones. Let's move on to that. So 0 once it consists of that mean term, it is 0, and the variables here taken as a b c d now. So it consists of all zeros. No, none, nowhere it is all zeros is there, only one group always. So let's take that one. Next it is, I'm looking for only one mean term. So here it is 1, it is a mean term consists of only one. 2 also it consists of only one, and 4 also it is consists of only one. So this one I'm going to take in the group 1. Let's take in the group 1. So 1, 2, and 4, it consists of only ones. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So 0 all it consists of only ones. This one I'm going to make it as a group 1. Next it is group 2. Group 2 consists of only two ones. So what are the mean terms it is having? So 5, it is consists of two ones. 6 also consists of two ones. 9 also it is consists of two ones. So let's move on to that. So group 3 is nothing but group 2, it consists of 5, 6, 9. It consists of two ones. Similarly, looking for the next, it is group number 3. It consists of three ones. So three ones, what are the things it is having? Uh, 13 we have a 1 1 1. No, 15 doesn't have, it is consists of four ones. That's why only one we have. So mean term it is 13. It consists of three ones. Okay. Next, looking for the group number 4. 4, it consists of four ones. It is 1 1 1 1. So I'm going to take on 1 1 1 1. Okay. So in this way, we need to segregate our mean terms. Once you segregate, next step it is matched pairs. So you already know that. Let's move on to that. So in the matched pair, so first I'm going to compare the zeroth group with respect to 1. Then any matching pair it is coming means only one bit need to change. Remaining all it is same thing. You can see that 0 and 1. So all first three ABC and ABC this same. Only last bit it is changing, right? So this one I'm going to take as a dash. Remaining thing I can write. Then group number it is 0. So always this group number become 4, become end it is 3, next it is 2, and gradually should be it is reduces. Let's move on to that. So first group it is 0. So it is now 0. I'm going to compare with 1. I'll get the final bit it is dash, and next 0 compare with the 2. So center bit it is changing. That's why 0 0 dash 0 and 0 comma 4. This second bit it is changing. Remaining all same. That's why I'm going to take on dash of 0 0. So in this way, first group I'm going to take on here. Okay. Next. So once it is 0 0 over, next I'm looking for the 1 with respect to 5. So even though if it is cover, so you need to consider that. And while covering, if it is matched pair, then we are going to make it as a tick. Okay. Next it is 1 comma 5. 1 with respect to 5 I'm doing. You can see that 0 0, this bit it is changing, and 0 1 and 0 1 it will be same thing only, right? That's why this bit is changing. That bit, particular bit, I'm going to make it as dash. 0 dash 0 1. You can see 1 comma 5, 0 dash of 0 1. Similarly, looking for 1 and 9, I'll get it is dash of 0 0 1, because first bit is changing, and any bits is there? No. Next, once one it is over, then go for 2. 2 with respect to remaining groups. 2 means 0 0 1 0. Looking for with respect to 5 it is not possible. 6. So 0 0 1 0. Here it is 0 1 1 0 is there. So I can change one bit here. So 2 6 comma 6 is nothing but 0 dash 1 0 I'll get. Next, 4 comma 5. Once you're looking for the 4 comma 5, 0 1 0 0 you have. In the 0 0 0 1 0 0 with respect to 5 means 0 0 same thing, 1 1 same thing, and 0 0 same thing, and last bit is changing. This last bit it is changing. That's why I'm going to take in here. Okay, you can see that 2 comma 6 is nothing but 0 dash of 1 0. Next, looking for 2 comma 6, it is possible. Okay, 9 it is possible. No. Next, 4 comma with respect to 5 I'm looking 0 0 1 1 and 0 0. Last bit is changing, right? So then I can write 0 1 0 dash 0 1 0 dash. Okay. Similarly, looking for 4 comma 6, 4 and 6 I'm going to comparing 0 1 0 0 and 0 1 1 0. So third bit is changing. That's why taken as a 0 1 dash 0. So in this way, I'm going to represent it. Okay, next, first group it is over. Next, looking for second group with respect to third group, and looking for this case. So what are the matched pair we are getting? So 5 comma 3, you can see the 5 comma 13. What we are getting, 5 and 13, 0 1 0 1. I'll get double 1 0 1. So 1 0 1 1 0 1 it is common. First bit is changing. That's why I'm going to take a dash of 1 0 1. Next, so I'm looking for 5 with respect to anything it is possible. 13 over, next 15 it is not possible. Next 6 with respect to 13 also not possible, because 2 bits are changing. And 9 with respect to 13 it is possible, because 1 0 0 1, here it is 1 1 0 1 0 1, and first one it is common. Second bit only it is changing. Then directly I can take 9 comma 13 as 1 dash of 0 1. Okay, once you take this one, next step it is, okay, 1 dash of 0 1 you take. Next, looking for third and fourth, 13 and 15. 13 and 15 of third and fourth group is nothing but double 1 double 1, and last one it is same, only third bit is changing. Directly I can take as double 1 dash 1. So in this way we need to segregate our matched pairs. So once you got the matched pair, then go for the step 3. In the step 3 also, what I'm going to do here, it is, so looking for the dash. First, I'm looking for 0 comma 1 with respect to remaining pairs. I'll take 0 0 0 1, this dash. Just check it out, particular column, anywhere it is there. Yes. So 0 1 and respect to 4 and 5, you just check it out. It's an easy method. 4 and 5, just check it out. Okay, this it is same. Next, here it is 0 0 0 is there, and 0 1 0 is there. Only second bit is changing. If I'm going to consider 0 comma 1 comma 4 comma 5, then I directly can write 0 comma 1 4 comma 5. The values are changing in the second bit, 0 dash of 0 dash. Okay, next, anywhere it is there, you just check it out. No. Next, I'm looking for 0 comma 2 0 comma 2, just check it out here. Looking for 4 comma 6, but here you can see that 0 0 dash 0 is there, 0 1 dash 0 is there. Then you can take in the second bit. Directly I can write 0 comma 2 4 comma 6. Just check it out, 0 comma 2 and 4 comma 6. Once you match the pair, again you need to tick. So 0 comma 2 4 comma 6, we are going to take on 0 double dash and 0. Okay, next, looking for 0 comma 4, you just see here the particular, here you can check it out, 0 comma 4 and 1 comma 5. Here only this 0 0 same and 0 0 same, and this bit is changing, and dash it will be same. Okay, I'm going to take on 0 and 1, last bit is changing, that's why I taken 0 dash of 0 dash. So this is make it as a group 0. Hope you understand. So next, once it is matched, every time be careful, you need to make it as a tick. And the previous method also something, so here it is 13 15 also it is matching, right? So we need to make it as a tick, so nothing is there. Okay, next it is once it is over 0 1 it is over, then next looking for the next one. Okay, this first group, Next, looking for the first group 1. So now looking for here 1 with respect to 2, 0 dash of 0 1. So this dash where it is there, you have with 9 and 3 13. You can see that this dashes are matching. 0 1 first bit is changing, next to 0 1 and 0 1 you have. That's why I'm going to take 1 comma 5, 9 comma 13 is nothing but first two dashes. This bit it is varying, that's why dash dash of 0 1, dash dash of 0 1. Okay, next it is 1 comma 9 comma 5 comma 13 you have. So 1 9 1 9 and 5 13 also same thing. First bit it is dash, next second bit it is changing, next it is 0 1, it is it, that's why dash dash of 0 1. Okay, similarly you just check it out remaining part. So what I'm getting here it is, okay, so here everything I'm going to take a next, anything it is possible is just check it out. Okay, and one more thing it is here we have how to represent it, the values here it is a dash and c dash, and this one it is a dash 0 because of 0 a bar and d bar also take, or dash you can take, and a dash or c dash we are getting. And here also same thing 2 comma 6 it is not matched with any pair, remaining pair here, that's why I'm going to take as it is, the value is a dash of c d dash. And 13 comma 15 also it is not matched with anything directly, I can take and has a abd. So remaining thing all it is matched pairs. Okay, so this what all the thing it is not matched, this 2 comma 6 and 13 5 comma 15. Okay, so we need to write, so 2 comma 6 and 13 comma 15 it is not matching, that's why I'm going to take an as a 2 comma 6 nothing but what I'm getting, that's what I'm playing. 2 comma 6 is nothing but a b c d, you have nothing but 0 dash of 1 0, 0 is nothing but a dash and c and d dash. Similarly here it is abd, a b and last bit it is 1 taken as a d. Okay, so these two I'm going to write on at the end, remaining thing we already represented here, so up to here, and we are going to take on at the end. So this is a final reduction in the tabular method. So now we need to reduce our prime implicants. This is very important and interesting. Let's see on that. So while writing the prime implicant table for the don't care condition, don't consider these mean terms, don't care mean terms, nothing but 13 comma 6. I'm not going to consider, right? I'm going to consider 0 1 2 4 5 9 15, that is only mean terms. I'm not going to consider don't care conditions, first thing. Next, so just represented my prime implicant values here, just you need to represent all the values. Okay, I'm going to representing. First, so instead of you can take the 0 1 4 5 also you can take, otherwise you take these mean terms. So a dash are reduced product terms, a dash and c dash. A dash and c dash is nothing but prime implicant is nothing but, so what are the covering, it is 0 1 4 5, 0 you make it as a cross, 1 you make it as a cross, 4 also you need to make it cross, 5 also. Similarly a dash of d dash you have. Okay, so a dash of d dash is nothing but, so covering 0 2 4 6, 0 covering 2 covering 4 and as well as 6 it is there, but 6 is a don't wear condition, that's why I'm not going to consider here. Okay, next is 0 comma 4 comma 1 comma 5 is nothing but a dash of c dash, you already covered this one, so this nothing but a dash of c dash we already covered, so that's why we're going to consider only once. Next, I'm looking for this case c dash of d, here it is c dash of d is considered only once, nothing but 1 5 9 13, so make a particular column 1 and 5 and 13 also I'm not going to consider because it is a don't care condition. Next 2 comma 6 you have, 2 comma 6 is a dash c d dash, so next I'm going to take as a 2 comma 6, 2 and 6 I'm not going to consider, it's a don't care condition. And 13 and 15 here also 13 is a don't care condition, that's why I'm not going to consider, so I'll have abd, so abd I'm going to take as 15 only. Next procedure, how to simplify it. So in the implication table method, let's see on that. Yeah, first we need to make a circle for the single ones. You can see here you have a 2 crosses and here also 2 crosses, 2 crosses, 2 crosses, 2 crosses, but 9 and 15 we have a single cross. First you make a cross. Okay, once you make the cross, now you're looking for particular row and particular column. So if looking for particular row, no in it does not consist of any crosses, nothing but does not uh, match with any mean terms. Okay, then I'm going to consider it is x individually. First, directly I can write ABD. So you can see that directly I can write so ABD here. Okay, next it is looking for the next single cross. So here single cross I'm going to take as a 9. So once you're looking for 9, so just go for this row. If I'm looking for this 5 and 1 it is involving. So 5 and 1 it is involving of mean terms is nothing but already cover this one and this one. Let's take it out that. So if I'm going to consider this, so 9 is nothing but C dash of D. So it is covered by this 9. So I'm going to write this one, and if I'm going to consider this 1 and 5, it will be cover. Let's check it out. So once I'm going to consider this, so this 1 and 5, it will cover C dash of D. Hope you understand. Again, I'm telling, so this one I'm going to marking because of that one, this row. So nothing but 1 and 5 mean terms are covering. So once it is covered means this one also it will cover and this one also it will cover because it is 1 only, right? Both are 1 only, right? 1 and 5 only, right? Okay. Next it is, once it is over, number of ones it is over, next option will go for the 2. So where it is a 2, here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there. While choosing, looking for a taking a one prime implicant, it covers maximum mean terms. What is that? So for example, if I'm going to take on this cross, if I'm going to take on this cross, these two it will take, and this one it will take, but these two will not take. So 2 it will not cover. That is our problem. So if I'm going to take on a 0, 0 and 4 it will cover, and this one it will automatically cover, but this one will not cover. That's why I'm going to take on here it is anyone. So I'm going to take on as a 2, or anyone if you take means A dash of D dash if I'm going to cover. So this row it will cover. If it is cover, then automatically 0 it will cover, and 2 it will be cover, and 4 also it will cover, right? Yes. Then I can choose instead of A dash of C dash, I'm going to take as A dash of D dash. Let's check it out. If I'm going to cover this one, it will cover this one and this one, and it will be cover this one. Let's check it out. See, you can check it out, this one and this one and this one. So finally I can write here it is ABD from this, C dash of D from this one, and A dash of D dash. So now we are looking for almost all x's are need to cover, right? Yeah, this is a final Boolean expression using QM method. So whether it is correct or not, I need to verify, right? If you want to verify it, then looking for the K-map method. So I'm going to take on a K-map method to verify this. So just you need to enter the values here. I'm going to take on 0, 1, 5, 9, 2. Just I'm going to make it as a 1, 1, 1. Okay. So here it is cells, it will be changes because I'm going to take an AB and some, okay, sorry, here CD, and here I'm going to take an AB. So here it will come to CD. Okay, next here it is. So just enter the values. Next I'll take an X and don't care condition, I'm going to take an X values. Okay. Next grouping. So looking for the single group anywhere it is there. No. Okay, looking for the maximum group. This is a group, maximum group. I can do that. What is the value? I'll get C dash of D. Okay, I'll get C dash of D. Next, looking for this is a corner grouping. 1 and X will taken as a 1. So I'll getting this one and this one. It is come to adjacent cells. We are going to group. Then what is the value? I can write here. It is looking for a column wise A dash and B dash and A dash and B. Common thing it is A dash. And looking for here and here, what is the common thing? It is D dash, A dash and D dash. Directly I can take from this. And next it is this one also it is covered, and this one also it will cover. Next, looking for the grouping of this one. So once looking for the grouping of this one, so what is the variable it will come? So looking for AB here, and next it is the common thing it is D. So directly I can take as a ABD. So what is the final expression? You'll get ABD plus C dash of D plus A dash of D dash. So if you solve in through K-map method also you'll get same thing, and the QM method also you'll get the same thing. Okay, so try to solve the more problems in the notes. Okay, thank you. All right.